Welcome to SIMNET, drone design and simulation powered by the cloud. SIMNET offers responsive support to its users through an easily accessible help widget. If you have any questions or issues, simply click on the help widget located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You can find this widget throughout the SIMNET site, including the SIMNET workspace. When submitting your inquiry, please provide a detailed description of your question or issue so that the SIMNET support team has all the necessary information to assist you. If it is a technical issue, please describe in detail the steps that can be followed to produce the issue. The Help widget also allows you to conveniently attach a screenshot along with your inquiry. Upon submitting your inquiry, you will receive an automated email confirming its receipt. This email will include a link where you can track the status of your ticket. The SIMNET team will promptly respond to your inquiry via email. We are here to help, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need any assistance.